So we're super excited to be here at McKenzie-Smith Bennett Public School tonight to welcome so many families who are bringing their 3-year-olds in to explore the kindergarten program. There are educators in the rooms. Kids are coming in and learning what it feels like to be in a school, to be with educators. They're excited, they're getting books, they're getting stickers. Community partners are here to talk to families, and it's always such a wonderful experience for the families to come in. Some of them bring their older siblings already at the schools, and we really treasure this night with our families in the community.
And one of the things we're here to explore tonight is just to get used to the space, seeing the classrooms, meeting the teachers. Of course, there's a little bit of maybe some anxiety, maybe a few butterflies in your stomach on the first day of school. So it really helps alleviate some of that to come to the building, meet the wonderful educators that are here, all of his classmates, and know he's going to be well taken care of next year.
Opening the schools this way gives the children the chance to see what's happening and to create memories that we know will stay with them for this year and maybe even for the rest of their lives as they start their educational journey.